This is an Amazon package, and inside is a pigment that we've never used before and a letter. Welcome to episode 2 of You Send, We Spray, where you guys find pigments that you think would look awesome on full cars, send them to us, and we spray them. It reads, Hi Fonzie, hi Gabe. The name of this powder is Magic Sea Chrome. I get it on Amazon. I use it in nail polish and it blows me and my friends away. I called the company. They confirmed it can be used in paint. Can't wait to see what you do with it, especially over different base colors at the end. Thank you, Jessica. Well, Jessica, I appreciate you sending in, what was it?
Magic
Sea
Chrome?
Sea Chrome, because that sounds pretty darn exciting. Okay, right off the bat, it's an interference. And it's got some pretty interesting tones. I also have to say this looks like an extremely small pigment size. I mean, smaller than anything that we have. Let's pop this thing open. Oh God, I'm gonna make a mess. Foil sealed. Wow, it is so small. Check this out. Okay. Magic Sea Chrome. It's got quite a bit of sparkle for being such a small powder. I don't see a size on here, Gabriel. Meaning?
Scientific amount?
Okay, well, the base that we're using on today's car is Blurple. It is deep. I wouldn't call it dark, but it's deep. So we would want a lower pigment load. What is this? I mean, eyeballing this, what does this look like to you? 25? More than that.
More than that.
So what the hell? Just dump some in so we feel good?
A little bit. I mean,
Okay.
Try to
We don't
eyeball.
need that much.
No, try to eyeball 5 grams a gallon.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa, oh.
Is that too much? Yeah, that's too much. Everything's fine. Okay. Hey, we're cutting it. We're cutting it with another guy. We can still do this. We're fine. We are fine. All right, what colors are you looking at? I'm not seeing all that much.
It looks like a pearl white to me.
A pearl white? Yeah, but it can't be Magic Sea Chrome and just be white, could it?
Or you just put too much pigment in there. I can't see colors.
Oh, now we're playing the blame game, huh? Let's see what the stick of truth has to say. Oh, there's color? What are we talking about? Yeah. All right, we got a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Oh, yeah. Oh, we're cooking right here. All right. Do we have a pearl that matches this? I don't think we do.
I don't even really see it yet.
Okay, well, how about this? A little something like that. Magic Sea Chrome, slightly more pigment load than we originally anticipated. We'll be fine. Blurple base, everything's fine. Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project, and it turns out Magic Seachrome is an incredible pigment. We sprayed it over the Blurple base. We totally forgot how saturated this Blurple color is. The combo looks nuts. We're gonna take the car outside right now, and you know what to do. Take a good look at this car. Leave a comment below, rate this one for me 1 through 5. Let me know if you love the color or if you hate it. Special thank you to Jessica, of course, for sending in the pigment. And if you want to change the color of your own emblems, your own wheels, your own car, head straight to DipYourCar.com. We have a ton of kits, a ton of colors. Gabe and I loved doing this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you on the next one.